be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand while we be doing nothing. Thought I'd scare you off by being a homebody, hanging with nobody, but jokes on me, cause you want something more than me. And I like gaze in your eyes every night when I make vision lights. It's all the mundane things we do together that give me wings. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand while we be doing nothing. Na 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 na. Say something that I just stay forever. Lying next to you. Talking, getting hard, forgetting the lying next to you. Nothing. We could just stay here and say absolutely nothing.
어떻게 따르지? 이 템이 너무 귀엽다. 아, 이거는 빵 같은 데다가.
Potato crusted cod bowl, a burger, and steak fries.
되게 달라요.
So we're at Brown Social House here. It's been a long time. We're here. Looks really good. Oh, bon appetit.
The leaves curl up and brown. The birds find warmer ground. And every willow finds its pillow. Waves relinquish sound. Although the skies turn
One
cold,
slice is around 9. Granville Island is a little bit overpriced, but you know, it is what it is.
will never bite the food. I will not love again the way I love the one who brought you back to me.
olives. I've never seen smoked pitted olives before. Packaging is so cute though. I want to keep this jar. Let's reuse this jar. I like to reuse my jars anyway. Picked up my order at Oakenfort. Coffee bean blazer and the Sherpa jacket. My mom and I are shopping around for the first time in a while. Smells really good. We got from Kyoto in Japan.
Authentic.
Authentic.
We traveled to Japan just to get this.
Yep. Yep. This is bought sweet matcha premium.
Only in Japan.
Only in Japan. Sweet matcha premium. The packaging is amazing as well. It's
Where's
made
the
of like
scissors?
wow.
Very fine.
Yes, so we bought several to give out to family and friends. But we're going to try it right now.
Whoa, that's so green.
It's a good dark green. Lime powder here. And it smells so good.